this is a period into Waka Huia where we started to open up the gates to other composers outside of the whānau. And so the front part is written by Tuirina Wihi. She showed from a very young age that she was already starting to compose while she was at Kura Kaupapa Māori o Hoani Waititi. And 2009 would have been one of her few significant compositions for Te Waka Huia. Kia Kotahi ai te ao, the waiata was taken from the Rugby World Cup, and it was about unity, so all of the countries coming together in unison. And then the second part was the Websters, so this is where other whānau started to come in with the composing as well. Kimiora and James Webster, who'd come from Te Mātarai i Orehu, he'd come into Te Waka Huia, he'd been there for a few years now, and so they did the haka part at the end.
But it took us nearly 24 years to win an entrance. And that's the first entrance we've ever won. So like a lot of people think Lion King and all those have won. We never won those.
We went back to very basic choreography, very basic actions, and back to Mum and Dad's basics, which we sing and sing well and get the message across about Kia Kotahi ai te ao.
That was the year that Mum and Dad handed the mantle over to Tapanini, was the 2009 festival. So that was a big significant year for all of us. I remember us all getting together for a wānanga and the kōrero coming up. At that time, none of us knew what the kōrero was about. More so, Tapanini didn't know what the kōrero was about, and that's when the announcement got made. That's probably what 2009 means for me in terms of Mum and Dad handing that mantle over to Tapanini.